Well, hello and welcome to month 6 of the Dolly Mixtures Quiltalong. I thought this month it would be really fun to have a look at all our achievements over the first 5 months. Look at all these blocks that we've made already. It's amazing. So no particular order on my wall, but it's really fun to see just how much area we've already covered and how much we've already done. This month we're going to be making 2 blocks. One is an applique block and the other is pieced. I've been having lots of fun cutting out my little flowers ready for the flower block, and I'm just about to start placing these, so when you catch up to that space on the video, that's where I'll be placing these on the blocks. So we've got the flower blocks to make, and the other one is called Wendy House. So have a great month and enjoy making these blocks.